Today I am going to be using Julie, the 1970s girl that I got for Christmas, and she's in her meet-greet. And Maryellen, who is also in her meet-greet, but I just got her like on a random day when we were at someone's house. But today I'm going to be organizing their gigantic closet. This purple one, which I got for Christmas from one of my family members. And I'm just going to be organizing it all. So I took out all of the clothes already. And I also have the up top where I'm keeping the phone. And I have this thing that I got from my friend. And I just keep this picture frame in it. I think this is a Polly Pocket ice cream. I don't even know what it is. This Barbie book from Dream Toplet. And this very old cloth. And Julie has a swimsuit, so this is the towel to it. It's on the bottom and it's very cute, but her swimsuit is very hard to find. So, I also keep up here a mirror on the edge. So if they're putting in earrings, because I have some doll earrings. This cast, that bin, they have a little clock. And since I also have Sarah, the Truly Needle, she's over there in that desk. And Grace, she's on the bed next to it. All of them have their own mini. So this is Sarah's mini. I just look like a Our Generation doll. This is Grace's mini, Maryellen's mini, and Julie's mini. But now I'm gonna start showing the outfits and putting them on hangers. So I'm actually gonna start with this window for some clothes. So I will start with Maryellen's snowsuit. I just took the shoes off because it won't fit. So Maryellen's snowsuit is very big, and I even added an undershirt for the jacket. And I love this fabric, and it comes with a matching hat, socks, belt, and hat. So they add a lot of stuff, and these yellow boots, they're like rubber. And then the jacket has such cool looking buttons, they're just so cool. And then little overall snow pants. So I'm gonna put that on the bottom because it doesn't snow. I don't have snow to make my dolls play in that much, but I put it on them sometimes just for fun. So in the bin, I'm gonna put the overalls at the bottom, undershirt, and the adorable little jacket. Next up, so from the cat collection, I don't know if it's actually, I don't really see it on American Girl, but I think it's on there, is the cat snowsuit. This one with the little zipper that I got for Christmas, for New Year's, when we went to Pennsylvania. And then the matching pants and the matching boots. And they put rubber bottom, but then it's felt. And since this is very furry, I put a swimsuit underneath so fur doesn't get all over Julie's body. So this is actually just an Our Generation swimsuit. But I don't have a doll that it would go nice with because Julie already has one. I want to get Maryellen's own swimsuit. Grace doesn't have one, so it just looks weird on her. And Sarah, I made her own swimsuit with sewing. Next up, I'm going to put on Maryellen's holiday outfit that I just made up. So when we were at a store, I got this Christmas shirt because it was before Christmas, and I made Maryellen her own little holiday outfit with these black leggings, which I don't actually have shoes for her. So I just use random shoes like Maryllen's, like a random pair of Maryellen shoes. But here's Julie's a retired version of the basketball outfit. These cute shorts. And the shirt is so cute. Like, and if this wasn't Julie's, this would probably be in our generation. Because American Girl does not make stuff like that unless it's for a certain doll. And the last outfit I'm gonna be putting on is Julie's swimsuit that came with the red sandals and the swim tail. That was in this bin right here, but here's the bottom. And Julie's is like a dress, so it's like very different with the lace and everything. And it's so pretty. So that is it for clothes. Now I'm just gonna put in some of the accessories, like the socks to the basketball outfit and Maryllen's snowsuit. And also stuff maybe like Maryellen's snow hat I'll put in with this like very cute bottoms. Like the hat is so old fashioned. And then this belt, which is very cool looking. Like it's very different from the belts today. I'm just gonna stick that on the side. And then two more things. Julie's PJs come with her own little pair of underwear, so I'm gonna keep her underwear in here. And I have this random pair, but I'm using it for Maryellen's PJ underwear, so I'll fold that up and put it right on top. So the whole bin of clothes and accessories is full, so I'm just gonna put that, I think the middle would look kind of cool, so I'm just gonna move that down. So it's in the middle. I'm just gonna make sure this can close because I can barely get this closed sometimes. But it closes, and I'm gonna take these 4 butterfly hangers, which I love. They're so cool. And I'm gonna do Julie's PJs first. So Julie's PJs, well, most of the dolls don't really wear nightgowns, but Julie has like a nightgown, which is so cute. And I have this in the girl size, except the girl size isn't a nightgown. It's like a dress shirt, but it comes with halfway pants. And this robe. American Girl does not make their PJs with the robe, but they just added for Julie because it is just so cute, and I love the pink buttons. Like, they're so cool. So I'm gonna put that on the like bar and move on to Maryellen's PJs. Hers are pants, and this is her second version of PJs, I think, because they made older ones, which is more like, I don't know, flowery. So I'm just gonna button the top so the top button so the shirt stays on a little better, because I'm gonna unbutton it to put it on her, so it's kind of like just want to get her dressed. So next up, I'm gonna do Julie's holiday outfit. So Julie's holiday outfit comes with tights and this dress, which I did like an opening video on that was like way before Christmas, because I got a Hanukkah gift. But if you go on American Girl, you will not find this one, because this was the first, and then there was the second, and now there's the newest one. And now Maryellen's party dress. So this is Maryellen's party dress, and this is just it. It doesn't come with tights or anything because it's Florida, so it's very hot. So I love this little rose, and it's just so cute. So I'm done with that little hook. So now I'm gonna do the shoes and stuff. So for the shoes, I'm gonna put that on the. So I'm gonna start with the boots. I'm gonna put that in the back. Then, so the snowsuit boots will go in the back, and then the basketball shoes will also go in the back. I mean in the front, and then the sandals. So for the holiday shoes, since there's a lot more room in the actual closet part, I'm gonna put some of the shoes in the back, so the shoes don't have to go over top of each other. So these are some random American Girl shoes. I don't know if these actually are American Girl brand, but they just go so well with Maryellen's party dress. And the dress didn't come with her actual shoes. So, like, the rose kind of has the same color, so they'll look pretty great with the outfit. So I'm just gonna push those past. And since you wear your PJs every night, I'm gonna put the slippers in the front. And Maryellen's. So I'm done all of the clothes and shoes. So now I'm down to the accessories. And I'm just going to pull them up. I have these 2 extra hangers that I normally put the meat greets on. So I'm going to put those on Grace's and Sarah's closet for now because I'm probably going to do this in our day. But I'm going to do bags now because, like, the important order of clothes is bags, shoes, purses. So this is Julie's lunchbox. And inside is a ho-ho or a ding-dong, potato chips, and they actually have grease to them. And the sandwich. And American Girl adds so much detail, like uneven bread right here. But right here is just so cool. So this also comes with a water bottle. So I'm gonna put that next to it later, and the lid comes off, which is so cool. So I'm gonna put that right over here. And then Julie's accessory, which is like an outfit. And then I was wondering why like Julie's swimsuit didn't come with her own bag. So when I was at my friend's house, we were using her sewing machine. We made this bag, double-sided, and like just the bright colors, and it's perfect for Julie. And then this mini brand sunscreen I got for Christmas in the Christmas video. I'm just gonna keep that inside for now. Next up is Maryellen's accessory. So I know Maryellen lives in Florida because in her movie, they go to the beach in December and they're wearing very like swimsuits, and her handkerchief says Florida. Then I took this polka dot bag that's random. It's not even American Girl, and I know like diners were really cool in the 50s. So French fries from the diner. For her dessert, Hershey Kiss. But this is actually shocking, which is so cute. And it says almond, like. And pickle. For like this. And like, I thought polka dots were like big in the 50s, so like. Since her meat grate has stripes and polka dots. And also, I have 2 mini Julies because one broke, so I gave that one to her So I gave that one to my sister, but it was only her shoe. So American Girl sent me another one, but I kept both books. And this is Maryellen's. And next up, I got this when we were on vacation at this very cool American Girl store. And my mom had just printed a bunch of 70s pictures, and it's perfect for Julie. Then the water bottles, Maryellen's water bottle, and Julie's water bottle. Basketball, that came with a basketball outfit. And this came with Maryellen's party dress. And this came with her meet greet, but I just like her hair down for her now. And the last 4 things are Maryellen's stick of cards that I also got from the store. Maryellen's whole earrings, because only Maryellen has her ears pierced because I got her like that. I didn't actually pierce her ears. And Julie, she doesn't come with any earrings, so I don't want to pierce her ears because I just have to put random ones in. And then this medal, and then pin. So that is it for today. I hope you liked it. Bye.